Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel e-learning tutor. So in this 20th video of Super 5 series, we are going to discuss 5 challenging questions of chapter Areas Under Curve. If you missed watching our previous videos, I'll link it in the I-bar. You can go check it out if you're interested. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, have a look of all 5 questions. So yes, let's start. First question. Area of the region outside mod x by 2 plus mod y by 2 is equals to 1. Okay, this is the curve. And inside the line x square by 4 plus y square by 9 is equals to 1 is how much? Okay, this ellipse, for this ellipse, x square by 4 plus y square by 9 is equals to 1. A is greater than b. Sorry, A is less than b. So how will this look like? Yes or no? So what will be this point? 2 comma 0 minus 2 comma 0 0 comma 3 0 comma minus 3. Now another curve mod x by 2 plus mod y by 2 is equals to 1. These will be 4 curves. X positive, y positive, x negative, y positive, x positive, y negative, x negative, y negative. 4 curves will be getting. All will be straight lines. Yes or no? So how will those look like? Okay, x plus y means like this. And second curve would be like this. Okay, it will look like this. Okay, what are they asking? Area of region outside it. Outside this point, inside this. Okay, that means they are asking us the area of this shaded part. Are you understanding? This shaded part. How will you find that area? See, area of ellipse minus area of this the diagonal. This diagonal. Agree? So, sorry it is. Okay, area of that rhombus. This is diagonal, right? I'm sorry. What is area of ellipse? Pi AB. This one minus half d1 d2. Okay, substitute all the values. 2 into 3 minus 1 by 2 into 6 into 4. Yes. What do you get? 6 pi minus 12. What can you write it as? 6 into pi minus 2. Simplification is up to you according to the options. So, this is our answer. What is the area? 6 into pi minus 2. Yes. Second question. The area of region enclosed by the curves y is equals to x square minus 1 and y is equals to 1 minus x square is how much? Okay, if you observe these both curves, they are parabolas. How will those look like? Upward, and the second one, of course, it can be drawn even more good, but yeah. Okay, what will be these points according to the curve? 1 comma 0 and minus 1 comma 0. Agree? They're asking the area enclosed. Yes, this is the area we want. Agree? How will you find this area? How did we get this actually? Did you understand? See, x square minus 1 is equals to 1 minus x square. 2x square is equals to 2. X square is equals to 1, which implies x is equals to plus minus 1. This is how we got. Yes. Yes. Now, how do you find the area enclosed here? Area is equals to 4 times. See, I am taking this part first. This part. All will be symmetrical, right? All these 4 are symmetrical. So, I'll take this part and multiply it with 4. Okay, 4 into integral 0 to how much? 1. What is the equation? 1 minus x square. That's it. You integrate this, you'll get. What is integration of 1? X minus x cube by 3. From where to where? 0 to 1. What do you get? 4 into 1 minus 1 by 3 into 0. What do you get? 4 into 2 by 3 8 by 3 is our final answer. Yes, yes, 8 by 3. Okay, third question. The area of region bounded by the parabola y is equals to x square plus 2 and the lines y is equals to x plus 1, x is equals to 0, x is equals to 3. Okay, look at here. First you draw the line x is equals to 3. Okay, this is x is equals to 3, this is x is equals to 0. Yes, how will the parabola look like? Y is equals to x square plus 2, right? Y is equals to x square plus 2. Okay, now draw the line y is equals to x plus 1. How will it look like? When it is 3, it should be 4. 4 is the point here. When it is 3, it should be 4. Yes, this one. Agree? Yes. Oh, but this should meet here. I'm sorry, this curve should be like this. Are you getting it? See, it is y is equals to x square plus 2. So it should be like this. I'll redraw it, you see. X is equals to 3 it is. So how do you get it as? This is the parabola. What is this parabola? Y is equals to x square plus 2. And this is the line. It will not touch here, like this it will go. Y is equals to x plus 1 line. So we want the area of this shaded region. Area of this shaded region. This part we want. How do we find it? Area is equals to, from where to where? 0 to 3. Yes, 0 to 3. Upper curve minus lower curve. What is upper curve? X square plus 1. X square plus 2, sorry. Here it's x square plus 2, yes. Plus 2 minus lower curve. What is it? X plus 1. That's it. Integrate it and you get the answer. 0 to 3. X square minus x plus 1. What it implies? Wait, I'll integrate it. X cube by 3 minus x square by 2 plus x from 0 to 3. What do you get? 9 minus 9 by 2 plus 3. Yes, 12 minus 9 by 2. Yes, you simplify, you'll get the answer. Now, okay, third question. Sorry, this was the third question, right? Okay, fourth question. What is the area of the curve? F of x is equals to sin x plus cos x over the integral, this one. Okay, you have to find the graph of sin x plus cos x in the integral, this one. Okay, you draw the graph first. How do you get the graph as? How do you get it? What is the maximum value of this function? What is the maximum value of this function? Root 2. Agree? Is it root 2? Yes. When will it be root 2? Pi by 4. Pi by 2. 3 pi by. Is 3 pi by 4 the... Okay, 3 pi by 4 it is. Yes, 0 to 3 pi by 4 is the integral given. So, how will the graph be? It should be maximum here. It will be minimum at 3 pi by 4. Agree? So, it should come like this. We don't need the graph after this. Okay, they are asking only this area. This area. So, how do you do it? This is maximum. This is one here. Yes. How do you find the graph inside it? How do you find the area inside this? Look at here. Integrate 3 pi by 4. 0 to 3 pi by 4. Yes or no? Yes. Sin x plus cos x dx. That's it. You get the answer. What is it? Minus cos x plus sin x. From where to where? 0 to 3 pi by 4. What do you get? Substituted. 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2, right? Minus 1 plus 0. What do you get? 1 by root 2 plus 1, which is root 2 plus 1. Agree? Root 2 plus 1 is our final answer. Okay, fifth question. Using integration, find the area of the region in the first quadrant. First quadrant, it is important. Enclosed by the x-axis, the line y is equals to x and the circle x square plus y square is equals to 32. Yes, What is the radius here? R square is equals to 32. R is equals to 4 root 2. Yes. So, fifth question, right? Fifth question. They gave a circle of radius 4 root 2 comma 0 from the origin. Yes. First, let's draw the line y is equals to x. Is this line y is equals to x? So, they are asking this region. Why am I specifically mentioning this? In question, it is given as x-axis in the first quadrant. Look at here. X-axis enclosed by the x-axis in the first quadrant. By the x-axis. By the x-axis means this curve. If they mention it as by the y-axis, then you have to take this curve. But we don't need that now. We need only this part. So, how do I find this area? Is it symmetric? Like, can we divide and multiply? No, it's not possible. So, how do you do it? First, this is the part, right? Draw a perpendicular line like this and divide this area into two parts and then add it. Yes, how do I do it? Here it is y is equals to x, right? Okay, first for that we need to find the point here. How do you find it? What is given? X square plus y square is equals to 32 and y is equals to x line is given. So x square plus x square is equals to 32. 2x square is equals to 32. X is equals to plus minus 4. We are taking only plus 4 because first interval. Yes, 4 comma 0, right? Yes. Now area, what will be the area of here? Area is equals to integral 0 to 4. Integral 0 to 4, this is 4 root 2. Integral 0 to 4 x dx plus. Now this shaded part we want. This shaded part we want. It is curve. Yes, it is the circle. It is part of circle. So how do you do it? Directly. 4 to 4 root 2. What is it? What is the circle equation? X square plus y square is equals to 32. Yes, how can you write y square as under root 32? Sorry, y as under root 32 minus x square. That's it. Dx. Okay, integrate this. What do you get? X square by 2 from 0 to 4 plus x by 2. What is it? Directly, okay. 32 minus x square plus 32 by 2 sine inverse. 32 by 2 sine inverse. What is it? X by 32, right? 4 root 2. Yes, this is from integration 4 to 4 root 2. Are you understanding? See, I'll write it clearly. X square by 2, 0 to 4 plus x by 2 root 32 minus x square plus 32 by 2 sine inverse x by 4 root 2 from 4 to 4 root 2. Now, I am not going to simplify this. One of you have to simplify this and let me know in the comment section below. Yes. Thank you so much for watching.